I take immense pleasure in introducing the chief guest for today's award ceremony. This is a unique function, and I take really immense pleasure to introduce the chief guest. First, let me introduce the chief guest of today's function, Mr. S. Ganesh Mani. Welcome you, sir. President and Chief Operating Officer, Ashok Leyland. A passionate leader with rich and wide experience of over 30 years across both passenger and commercial vehicles industry. He has experience cutting across multiple functions in the automotive industry, such as manufacturing, projects, planning, vendor development, logistics, HR function, HR policy formulation, and vector alignment of all stakeholders. He is currently President and Chief Operating Officer at Ashok Leyland Limited, encompassing all manufacturing plants globally, foundry business, sourcing and supply chain, project planning, quality, logistics, fully built solutions, operations strategy, and business excellence. He is also board chairperson of Ashok Leyland UAE, GTVS Bus Body Builders Limited, and Vishwa Buses and Coaches Limited. As an ardent lover of Industry 4.0, he spearheaded digitalization initiatives and pioneering green operations. Before joining Ashok Leyland, he was whole-term director in the board and operations of Hyundai Motors India Limited, guided Hyundai's strategy and operations, and led the organization initiatives towards a successful future, enabling global ranking from 22 to top 3. He was also Vice President of Maruti Suzuki Limited, worked in various functions over 2 decades. Mr. Mani is a mechanical engineer and MBA with double gold medals in operations and finance management from Management Development Institute and Dean's List Meridian from ISB Global Executive Management Program. Won multidisciplinary awards across industry forums, academic institutions in global level of outstanding contributions in many functions. He is a chairman of Technical Committee in Global Automotive Research Center, co-chairman of CII Southern Region Subcommittee on Global Partnerships and International Linkages, and headed various panels in industry bodies, both CII and ACMA. He loves adventures. By going through the profile, you must have guessed that he loves adventures, and he has achieved many credentials. We welcome you, sir. In a rare opportunity, I am going to introduce my ex-boss, Dr. N. Ravichandran. Boss, really boss. He has molded many people. One of is me. New crowd. New crowd. Okay, the gathering is eminent people, so there's no need for any introductions to Dr. N.R. But anyway, protocol warrants that I need to introduce him. Dr. N. Ravichandran has more than 54 years of professional experience in the areas of manufacturing. He graduated in mechanical engineering from the College of Engineering, Guindy, University of Madras. Further, he obtained his postgraduate diploma in statistical quality control and operations research from Indian Statistical Institute and Master of Business Administration from University of Madras. He was awarded PhD degree from Anna University. He completed professional training in manufacturing management from MIT Boston, USA, and also in Japan and Korea. Dr. N. Ravichandran is a fellow of Institution of Engineers, Quality Council of India, Indian Institute of Production Engineers, and National Institution for Quality and Reliability, NIQR. And as a fellow of Indian National Academy of Engineering, highest recognition for an engineer in India. He is also the academician of International Academy of Quality, USA. Retired as Executive Director from Lucas TVS, of serving 48 years in the company, and currently as Chief Mentor for NIQR Fuel Systems Limited. Eminent engineer, Dr. N. Ravichandran, continues the professional work by advising and mentoring many companies in India and outside in the areas of lean, TQM, management, leadership, and total employee involvement. His presence today is really vital and very important because he is the architect of the entire syllabus for the VK medal approach, plan, evaluation criteria, and the level status. I know how much difficulty it is, and I know his timings also. In spite of his busy schedules, he has put heart and soul, I can say, if I am allowed to say that, into it, and created this entire syllabus. We cordially welcome you, sir, Dr. Enna. I take the privilege of introducing our guest of honor, Sri P. Kaniyappan, Managing Director, ZF Commercial Vehicle Control Systems India Limited. Mr. Kaniyappan holds a BE from NIT Suratkal, a master's degree in Manufacturing Systems Engineering from the University of Warwick, UK, and Executive MBA for Great Lakes, and has completed the Wharton Business School's Advanced Management Program at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. Starting his career as graduate engineer in Sundaram Clayton Muppet Division, he has grown to MD. ZF Commercial Vehicle Control Systems Limited, mainly due to his dedication and commitment to quality, which is more important, resulting in the company achieving remarkable feats, including maintaining a single-digit parts per million ppm per customer. He was honored among the top 100 best CEOs in 2016 by Business Today, IMEA Lifetime Achievement Award from Frost and Civilian, and the Ashoka Award by ISQ. We are honored, really, to have you, sir, in our presence today. It is not an introduction of the guest, but I must say that Dr. V.S., V. Swaminathan, our மூஞ்சியை பார்த்தாவே, our face கட்டை பார்த்தாவே ரொம்ப ஸ்மைலிங்காக இருக்கும். You tell anybody in India or abroad, he will go and invite them, and none of them will say no to him. It is how today the celebrative function is happening because of Dr. Swaminathan has invited our chief guest, three of them.